distribution of textbooks for learners, and then parents' trainings. So again, these were the series of initiatives that were conducted. For every municipality was a participant in the initiative. Next slide, please. Now, the next two slides are the most important in this whole presentation. What happened? What were the results? Makita natin the experimental group, students in 12 municipalities outperformed students in the control group. And the changes were a bit dramatic. Let's start there as a right side. No? Almost all of the children can read. Marked increase in average reading performance of experimental students from the pre-test to the post-test. Please look at the side part. No? As a experimental, it started with a pre-test of 74 and ended up with 88. Tapos, palakpakan man nato, no? You compare this with the municipalities where no intervention was staged. Ano yung natabo sa ila sa pre-test and post-test nila? Ang starting point nila was 70, and by the end of it, 81 ang ilang scores. This is the average score of every student included dito sa pilot. So the difference is 88 to 81. And that is statistically significant. Now, look to the left. Ang mean mo naman, I had to look it up. No? Wala nyo sa college, ang ako na statistics B. So I almost failed statistics. So I had to remember what mean meant. Ang mean means the middle. Ang average is self-explanatory. I-add mo sila tanan, divide mo, denominator mo total number sa mga factors. Ini naman ang mean, ano ang tunga-tunga. Ang median, sorry. Sige, kita nyo? I'm reminding you why I got a D in statistics. So, the mean is the average, and the median is the middle. So makita natin ang mean sa experimental group is 87.72, and ang aton na control group is only 80.89. Ang median mo naman, the middle, 92%, 92 ang score sa experimental group against 86 sa control group. Ang wala yan na-include sa POCs. So for the mayors who are here present with us today, ang mga banwa ninyo, kag mga eskwelahan na na-cover for this POC, this is a point of pride for all of us. Kaya imagine scaling this up to the entire municipality and then continuing it year after year after year. So the difference in the mean was statistically significant at 0.01%. Don't ask me what it means, kaya hindi ko na masabat kaninyo. 1/2 of the experimental students can answer 90% of a 50-item test correctly, and average score was 87%. Dala ninyo sa nakita, when I saw the data, I too was beaming with pride. Kanami isang pamatya. So next slide please. 2% of the experimental group readers are still struggling. It's low, but it's still significant. Kaya damgo ang handog natin, our dream for our children is for all of them to be able to read.